Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these adorable baskets. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So it does come with 3 different baskets. I don't know what these things are. It has these. I think this is actually like little things to label. You can put like a piece of paper in here and then run this through, and I think that's what it's for, is to put like a label on, which is really cool if you want to do that. These are really great for like bathrooms. It's a really good bathroom size. So you have this one right here, this one, and then you have this big one right here. It's made out of like a kind of like a jute, but not really. Like it's more of just like wood. It's not really jute, but it looks like it's jute. So very cute. They're actually a good size, as you can see, like size reference. Like this is a water bottle, so if you're kind of getting a size reference, you can see there's still some room. The smallest one's a little smaller than like your average water bottle. And then this one, it looks like it's going to be, yeah, pretty much could fit. So this is the middle-sized one. So very nice. I like to organize my house, and I thought something like this would be great. These would be really good in a pantry as well, especially if you label with these. And for these, all you would do is you kind of weave it through here, just like that, and then you would do the same thing with the other side if you do want to add that. And you don't have to add it on top. You can add it in the middle, just depending where you want. Like if you want this lower, you can put it lower. Okay, like I was saying, if you want to, you can put it in the middle like this too, just depending on where you want it. And then you can print out something to put in the middle of here. I'm personally not going to label it because I'll probably be using just this like in my bathrooms for storage. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. Okay, so this is to give you an idea of what it looks like in use. So on this side, I have it inside my bathroom, so I just put some bath bombs. I put some extra toilet paper, because when guests come over and if they run out, they won't have to be searching for it. It'll be right in front of their eyes. And then I put some hair ties for my little girls if they want to use it. But they're very cute, just very modern looking, and they really do go with my bathroom. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.